This is not Masjid al-Aqsa. This is Masjid al-Aqsa. When media talks about al-Aqsa, they show us this picture. You know why they are doing this. Because Israel wants to destroy real Aqsa. Mosque silently, and they will show you the picture of Rock of the Dome saying like all Aqsa is safe. And after this they will build third temple. Jews believes third temple should be built to establish the condition of Messianic age. Now, what is Messianic age? It's said by Jews and Zionists that there is a period of time will come in their awaited Messiah will come, and he will unite the whole world. Israel is doing this for their awaited Messiah in Christianity. They say him Antichrist, and in Islam we say him Dajjal. This whole open area is called Al-Aqsa compound. There are 5 important places. First, one is Masjid, Al-Qibla. Second is Dome of the Rock. Third is Masjid, Al-Buraq. Is fourth is Musalla Marvani. And the 5th is minarets. This is the real Aqsa. Mosque spread this so that every Muslim should know which one is real Aqsa Mosque.